Hi, my name is Joel Salinas. This is my video presentation of SEL. So let's start with the definition. SEL is the process through which all young people and adults acquire and apply the knowledge, skills, and attitudes to develop healthy identities, manage emotions, and achieve personal and collective goals, feel and show empathy for others, establish and maintain supportive relationships, and make responsible and caring decisions. This definition is from the Castle website. Speaking of the Castle website does display the Castle 5. Castle stands for collaborative for academic, social, and emotional learning. Castle. They talk about the 5 competencies or the 5 broad and interrelated areas. 1 is self awareness, 2, self management, 3, social awareness, 4, relationship skills, and number 5, responsible decision making. So let's dive into a little deeper of what these competencies are. Self-awareness is this competency is the ability to recognize the impact of emotions and thoughts on behavior. Self-management, this competency is the ability to self-regulate one's emotions through behaviors effectively in stressful situations. And self-awareness, this is the ability to take the perspective of others from diverse cultural backgrounds and empathize with diversity. And basically, it's able to understand the other person's point of view. And finally, the last 2 competencies is relationship skills. It's the ability to maintain healthy and rewarding connections and diverse individuals and groups. And finally, the last one is the responsible decision making. Almost self-explanatory, but being the student or the person is able to make respectful choices about their personal behavior and social interactions based on the consideration of ethical standards and social norms, the realistic evaluations of consequences of various actions with includes the well-being of self and others. The one question I do want to ask is why teach SEL? That is the important part. Well, there's besides what mentioned before about the competencies, it kind of ties in with the answers. Number one, the reason to teach SEL is it helps manage emotions and become more aware of their own emotions. It helps with empathy. The student or the young person is better able to empathize with others, and it helps to solve problems in a peaceful way. Number four, it makes for responsible decision making on their own life or the life of others. And number 5, it allows the person to easily and much faster make friends and not feel left out in a group of people. How can SEL benefit schools and the community? Well, there are many reasons besides the ones cited, but its improvement in academic performance has been seen. It improves the school climate, graduation rates, and other important developmental outcomes and life goals. It improves the school's safety. SEL skills can promote and reduce bullying and isolation, which promotes belonging, boost engagement, and it curbs future violence, which is good. Very good. Civic learning. Our next generations and leaders will need to have the skill of social emotional learning in order to develop the skills and relationships needed to participate as caring and engaged members of their own local communities and eventually the broader society. Uh, what is the importance of SEL and addressing it in schools? Let's take a look. Well, the importance of SEL and addressing it in schools is that bottom line is important when we address social emotional learning in schools. It is an important indicator of academic achievement. Students, we recognize that reading and writing is uh, a critical competency in school, but so is the collaborative skill and the motivation and the study skills as well that goes along with the academic achievement with it. It also helps young children feel more confident and competent in developing relationships, um, building friendships, and resolving conflicts with persisting with faced with challenges, and they're better able to cope with anger and frustration, and they're better able to manage their emotions. What is the effectiveness of SEL? Well, the effectiveness of SEL, evidence-based practices that build supportive relationships and promote social emotional skills can help reduce bullying and isolation, promoting belonging and boosting engagement. And like I said before, curbing violence, curbing the future violence. And that is all. These are my references that are that come with this presentation. I hope you liked it and enjoyed this presentation. Thank you again.